Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever catch yourself standing in front of the fridge or the pantry, not because you're hungry, but because you're bored, stressed, or you just want a break from everything that's going on in your life? Maybe you've had this thought, why can't I just eat like a normal person? I hear this from my clients all the time, especially high-stress professionals like accountants, lawyers, and business owners. People who can handle complex projects, managing other people's money or businesses, and make huge decisions every single day. Yet, when it comes to food, it feels like it's the one area that's out of control. Today, I want to help you understand why you overeat or snack, and, more importantly, how you can stop without relying on willpower. Because the solution isn't about discipline or eating less. It's about understanding what's really going on in your brain, the root cause, and learning how to process emotions instead of numbing them out with food. Let's dive in. Do you ever wonder why we overeat or snack? It's not just about food. When I ask my clients why they think they overeat, I hear the same answers over and over again. I do it for entertainment. I love food. It's a distraction. I'm stressed or overwhelmed. If any of these resonate with you, I want you to notice what's happening here. Overeating usually isn't about hunger. It's about how we're feeling. Think about it. When you come home after a long day's work, you don't usually say, I had such a stressful day, I can't wait to eat a salad. Am I right? You say, where's the wine? Where's the chocolate? Where's the pizza? That's because overeating is less about food and more about the emotions that you're trying to avoid. It's normally about the emotions we don't want to feel. Here's the thing, negative emotions are normal. Life is supposed to be 50-50. Half of the time we feel positive emotions like excitement, joy, and love. The other half we feel things like stress, overwhelm, guilt, or loneliness. But most of us were never taught how to feel those emotions. Instead, we learned how to avoid them, and food is one of the most socially accepted, easily accessible ways to avoid them. When my clients come to me, they'll often say things like, I eat because I'm stressed. I eat when I'm bored. I eat when I feel lonely. But overeating doesn't solve stress, boredom, or loneliness. It just temporarily numbs those feelings, and then it adds a new problem on the top: weight gain, guilt, self-judgment, and feeling out of control. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.